Hello, this will be a tutorial looking at the tenor line for the Christmas carol, O Little Town of Bethlehem. As I do with all of these videos, first we will walk through it looking at the relationship of the notes, then we will go through it and we will sing it by itself and then sing it in context. So, at the beginning, tenor and the bass begin together. And then it's going to go up a very, what I call a half step, and another half step. So it's a little narrower than we're used to. Then it's going to skip up, step down, do some stepping. So with that we have, O little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie. The second line is very similar. It starts where we were, and then it skips up, but then a little bit of a leap, then skips down, and steps here. So with that, the text is, above thy deep and dreamless sleep, the silent stars go by. Let me see on lent of silent, again we have that sharp in there saying it's a narrow interval. Now in the third line, we're starting up here on our middle C, and we skip down. Here we have a half step going up, another half step, so they're narrow intervals, but here we get a whole step up, which sounds a little odd because we're changing keys there. Again, listen to that little section. Here's our half step, and then whole step. Now here, because that sharp affects the whole measure, it's another C sharp, then we skip down, then we imitate the melody, leap up real high, and come down to that C sharp. And the fourth line, we go down just a half step to a C natural, and then we're skipping down, and then we have our half step again, and we skip up, stepping here. So our last two phrases would be here. Yet in thy dark streets shineth the everlasting light. The hopes and fears of all the years are met in thee tonight. So if we go through the entire carol from the beginning, just the tenor line. O little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie. Above thy deep and dreamless sleep, the silent stars go by. Yet in thy dark street shineth the everlasting light. The hopes and fears of all the years are met in thee tonight. Now, if we put that in context, we have, O little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie. Above thy deep and dreamless sleep, the silent star So I hope that helps you with your practice and learning the tenor line.